So this video is going to walk you through the process of setting up a rough draft document of your research paper to use during writing circles so that you can then take the feedback that you get during writing circles and turn it into it and apply it to your final draft that will be submitted online next week. So as you go through this video, please make sure to follow along the steps that I'm doing, pause the video after I take a step, and then return to the video once you've completed the step. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom. Should look something like this. Please pause this video and get there now. Okay, and once you're there, you're going to click on the speech research paper assignment, which will take you to something that looks like this. Mine's a little off because I'm not a student, but you should have your 2 documents attached to that assignment. Please pause this video and get to this screen now. Okay, and once you're here, you're going to click into the speech research paper. So not the assignment with all your research on it, but the speech research paper. Click into that. Pause this video and do that, and then get here now. So once you're here, you should be looking at your speech research paper. This is actually going to be your final draft that I'm going to be checking when you submit your assignment next week. But right now, you're going to make a copy of this so that that will be your rough draft. So what you need to do is you need to go to File, Make a Copy, and once you've done that, there'll be an option to title it. Please take out where it says Copy Of and replace that with Rough Draft in big letters and press OK so your document is retitled. And that will open up a second document that looks like this, Rough Draft Speech Research Paper. It's going to look the exact same with everything that you've done so far. Please pause this video now and make the copy and title it Rough Draft. Okay, so once you have it titled Rough Draft, you have this new copy. Click back over to your original assignment screen on Google Classroom. Please pause this video and get there now. And once you are here, you're going to go to the Add button because you need to attach your rough draft just so that it's going to be easy for you to click back to it during writing circles and share it with your group members, and then also return to it when you need to copy and paste material from the rough draft into your final draft here. So the rough draft will be actually the document that you'll be sharing with your writing circle group throughout the week. So you're going to go to Add, click Google Drive, and then once that comes up, you're going to type in rough draft, and you should find the document that you want to attach. I'm going to pause this while this sort of loads. You should pause as well and get yours loading as well. So you're going to go to the assignment and press Add. So once you press Add, you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. Type in rough draft, and hopefully this will come up right away. So you'll click that document, rough draft speech research paper with your name, and it will attach it to your assignment. So when you're done with this, you should have the original assignment with your research in it, your final draft, which is what I'll be checking when you turn this assignment in on Google Classroom, and then this rough draft, which I'll also want to take a look at. This is the document that you need to have just attached so you can get to it easily, and also so you can be sharing it with your group members during writing circles. Okay, so pause the video, get your screen looking like this as well, and then once you're done, click back over to the rough draft actual document. Make sure you're on the rough draft here, that it says rough draft. In fact, you can enclose your original speech document. You're not going to use that until you're finished with writing circles and copying and pasting some of your feedback into the final draft. So we're in this rough draft document. You should go to the class website, not that, this, Writing Circle Prep that you access this video on, and take these 2 revision writing circle boxes and copy all of it, whole thing, and then paste it right here in your rough draft document. So pause this video and do that copying and pasting right now so that your rough draft document looks like this. Okay, and once you have done that, the next step in today's instructions are to choose a rubric strand focus and feedback question to enter into your rough draft document using this document. So you can click here, it'll open up the research writing feedback questions document, and you can look through and choose a strand that you need to focus on, rubric strand, and then a feedback question that you would like your writing circle revisers to focus on as they give you feedback. For instance, if you're struggling to put source material in your own words, paraphrasing, or you feel that you have more than a quarter of your writing as direct quotations instead of paraphrasing, you might choose paraphrasing and direct quotation as your area of focus, and then you might, if I'm really concerned that I just have a ton of quotes instead of paraphrases and I want people to help me figure out which parts to actually turn into my own paraphrases instead of direct quotations, I might choose that feedback question. So to be prepared for tomorrow's writing circles, your rough draft should look like this. Okay, happy revising!